eat so many sweets? Yes, very good. Okay, let's start our session with prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayam. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands, put on your face, slowly open your eyes again. Okay? Yes, in last video, which topic we learned? All of you remember that one or not? Yes, in last video we learned missing numbers. Okay? We learned missing numbers, and today's topic is place value. That means tens and ones. Okay, first I will show you today's classwork and homework. Yes, today's classwork is page number 66 and 79 in worksheet. Page number 66 and 79 in worksheet. And homework is page number 80 in worksheet. दोनों हमको वर्कशीट में करना है. एक 66 और 79 है और 80 है. That is also the same topic, tens and ones. Okay, now I will show you on the board. Let's start today's classwork. So first we have to write here CW on the top of your page and mention the date. Okay. Today's topic is place value. Place value means tens and ones. Okay. Find the answer for each problem. मतलब यहाँ पे जो भी हमने ड्राइंग किया है tens and ones की, you have to count and write. Okay. These one line of tens. These are tens lines. मतलब 8 tens की bits है ना. मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था, एक पूरा 1 यूनिट हमको बताता है 1 tens. So this is 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. So how many tens altogether? There are 7 tens. So what we have to do next? This is tens place. So here we have to write 7 tens. Yes, once again count 1 ten, 2 ten, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. How many tens are there? 7 tens. So in the first line, first blank, we have to write 7 tens. And in the next, we have to count ones. On the next, we have to count ones. So these are ones unit. So count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are how many ones are there? 4. So write here 4. So the 7 tens and 4 ones makes which number? 7 tens and 4 ones makes number 74. Okay, 7 tens and 4 ones makes number 74. Okay, go through the next number. Next number is which number? Okay, this is 1 ten and this is 2 tens. So how many tens are there? 2 tens. 1 and 2. So write it here. 2 tens. 2 tens. And how many ones are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tens are there? No. That means there is no ones. So what we have to write here? If there is no ones, we have to write 0. Yes? We have 9 tens and 0 ones. So that means 9 tens and 0 ones makes which number? 90. Yes, very good. Go through the next line. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. How many tenses are there? 5. So right here 5 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are there? 5. So right here in the ones blank 5. 5 tens and 5 ones makes which number? 5 tens and 5 ones makes number 55. Okay? Very good. And here how many tens are there? Sorry. First we do this line. How many tens are there? 1 ten, 2 ten, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. Once again count it again. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. So in tens blank we have to write 6. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 ones. So that means 6 tens and 3 ones makes number 63. 6 tens and 3 ones makes number 63. Okay. Go through the next one. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens. How many tens are there? 3. So right here number 3. And here how many ones? Only 1. So right here 1. That means 3 tens and 1 ones makes number 31. Yes? 3 tens and 1 ones makes number 31. Okay, this is third line. First, second and third. This is third line. Here, how many tenses are there? Only 1. So, right here, 1 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, right here, 6. 6 ones. 1 tens and 6 ones makes number 16. Makes number 16. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे 1 tens है and how many ones are there? 6. So that means 1 tens and 6 ones makes number 16. Okay, go through the next one. How many tenses are there? 1, 2. How many tenses are there? 1, 2. So right here 2 tens and how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones are there? 7. That means 2 tens and 7 ones makes number 27. 2 tens and 7 ones makes number 27. Yes, and in third line, last one. Okay, let's count these tenses first. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. So right here 7 tens. 7 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones are there? 8. So 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 tens and 8 ones makes number 78. 7 tens and 8 ones makes number 78. Okay? This is first line, second line and third line. These आर यू सीइंग हियर टेंसेस? आपको टेंसेस की ब्लॉक्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं? ऐसे वाले ब्लॉक्स यहाँ पर टेंसेस के दिखाई दे रहे हैं? नो, देयर इज नो टेंसेस, देयर आर ओनली वंस. यस, दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many ones are there? 7. So this is ones. So यहाँ पे हमको लिखना है 7. और टेंस there is no tense, मतलब टेंस में कुछ भी नहीं है तो हमको 0 लिखना है. ओके, so here we have to write number 7. Only 7, क्योंकि टेंस की प्लेस में 0 है, हमको कुछ नहीं लिखना है. और वंस की प्लेस में 7 है, so we have to write here number 7. Okay, go through the next one. There are tens are there. Tens अभी दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको? Yes. Okay, let's count the tens first. 1 2 3 4 5. How many tenses are there? 5. So write here 5. That means 5 tens. And how many ones? 1 2 3. There are 3 ones. 5 tens, 3 ones makes number which number? 5 tens and 3 ones makes 53. Yes, very good. 5 tens and 3 ones makes number 50. Okay, the last one. Yes, how many tenses are there? Here are only tens. There is no ones. है ना, ऐसे small units यहाँ पे नहीं है. ऊपर हमने देखा यहाँ पे टेंस नहीं थे, अभी नीचे वंस नहीं है. सो वी हैव टू राइट इन टेंस प्लेस ओनली. हमको टेंस की प्लेस में ही खाली लिखना है, वंस की प्लेस में कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि देयर इज नो वंस. देयर इज नो वंस मीन्स 0. एंड हाउ मेनी टेंसेस आर देयर? 1 2 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Yes, and 5 tens, 0 ones makes number 50. देखो 0 नंबर के बाद में लगता है तो इसकी वैल्यू हो जाता है 50. अगर नंबर से पहले 0 लगता है उसकी वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं होता है. समझ में आया? नंबर के ये नंबर है वंस और इसके पहले टेंस की प्लेस में 0 है तो इसका वैल्यू कुछ नहीं होता है. ओनली वैल्यू इज ओनली 7. और यहाँ पे देखिए 5 टेंस की प्लेस में है और 0 वंस की प्लेस में है, तब हम लिखते हैं 5 टेंस एंड 0 वंस. 0 नंबर के बाद में है, 0 नंबर के बाद में है तो इसका वैल्यू बढ़ जाता है ना. दिस बिकम्स 50. हमेशा याद रखना, हाँ, नंबर से पहले 0 लगता है तो उसका वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं होता है. नंबर के बाद में हम 0 लगाएंगे तब उसका वैल्यू बढ़ जाता है. ओके, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्लास वर्क. दिस इज पेज नंबर 66. ये पेज नंबर 66 पे है, वो वाला पेज हमने अभी किया है. ओके, वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज पेज नंबर 79 इन वर्कशीट. Now we are doing class work of page number 79. अभी हम पेज नंबर 79 के क्लास वर्क कर रहे हैं. पहले हमने पेज नंबर 66 कर दिया, अभी हमने 79 के करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नाउ? ऑन द स्टॉप यू हैव टू राइट CW and mention date. Yes, this is compulsory. Okay. 3. So 3 ones. That means 3 tens and 3 ones. 3 tens and 3 ones makes number 33. 3 tens and 3 ones makes number 33. Okay, go through the next line. है ना? ये second line में है. Okay, let's start. How many tenses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. How many tenses are there? 5 tens. And how many ones is there ones? वहाँ पे ones दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको? No. So that means we have to write here 0. जैसे हमने पहले की क्लासों में किया था. 5 tens and 0 ones makes which number? 15. 5 tens and 0 ones makes number 15. Okay, go through the next. How many tenses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. How many tenses are there? 4 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are there? Number 5. Okay? That means 4 tens and 5 ones makes which number? 45. Very good. Okay, the next one. This is third line. First, second and third. Yes, this is third line. Okay, let's start. Count tenses. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. Yes, how many tenses are there? 7 tens. So right here 7. Very good. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones are there? 7. That means 7 tens and 7 ones makes number 77. Next, here are only tenses. Are you seeing? आपको दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहे हैं? Only tenses. Okay. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. So in tens place we have to write number 8. And there is no ones. So right here 0. That means 8 tens and 0 ones makes number 80. Yes, देखो यहाँ पर भी 0 नंबर के बाद में हमने लिखा है. So its value become 50. And here also we write 0 after the number. So its value become 80. Yes, 80, 80. 8 tens and 0 ones makes number 80. Okay. Next, the last line, fourth line. How many tenses are there? 1 ten. There is only 1 ten. So right here in tens place 1. And how many ones are there? 1. So right here 1 ones. 1 tens and 1 ones makes which number? 11. Yes, 1 tens and 1 ones makes number 11. And here how many tenses are there? 1 ten, 2 tens. Yes, so right here 2 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are there? 5. So that means 2 tens and 5 ones makes number 25. Okay, easy. This is so easy for you. You have only count and write all the tenses and ones. And remember, these big blocks shows us tens and small units. These tells us ones place value. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Okay, now I will show you classwork. The page number 66 in worksheet. It is first classwork. So write here CW and mention the date. Yes, I already explained in your classwork video. Yes, how to write these tens and ones. Okay, open the page number 79. Yes, this is also your classwork. So write here classwork and date, and this is also we done our classworking video. Okay, now I will show you homework. Page number 80. So first write here HW, that is homework, and here mention the date. Okay, this is also the topic of tens and ones. So write how many tens and ones are in each number. So यहाँ पे एप्पल में क्या दिया है, numbers दिया है. So we have to distribute in tens and ones place like this. In the first apple, return here 37. 37. So in 3 tens and 7 ones, the first glass shows us tens place, the second glass shows us ones place. So we have to put these 3 in first box and 7 in second box, just like that. 89. The next apple is 89. So in tens place, 8 tens and 9 ones. So 8 tens and 9 ones. That means 89. And here also 22. That means 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens, 2 ones makes number 22. That means here are 2 tens and here are 2 ones. So this is number 11. So in 11, the first one is shows us tens place. Yes. So 1 ten and this is ones. 1 ones. So 1 tens and 1 ones makes number 11. And this is 46. 4 tens and 6 ones. 4 tens, 6 ones makes number 46. 5 tens and 7 ones. 5 tens and 7 ones makes number 57. Okay? अभी समझ में आ गया क्या करना है? We have to put tens value in tens place and ones value in ones place. Just like that. These 2 lines do yourself. आपको करना है अपने आप, है ना? It is so easy. So everyone, take care. Bye bye.